Hi, I'm Karen. We're here at Montavilla Sewing Center, and today we're talking about the Baby Lock Celebrate serger. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gather with your serger. For gathering, we want to make two adjustments. We'll have our stitch length all the way up to the highest, which is 4, and we move our differential lever all the way up to 2. And this is how we gather. Make sure that you're not pulling back because the feed dogs are doing the work. So just kind of guide it and see how it gathers beautifully. And when you're done, hang on to your fabric right at the end, not up here, because you don't want to undo your gathers. And cut it off like that. Once you're done gathering, make sure that you put your machine back to neutral. Check out our other videos on this machine. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have comments or questions or ideas for other videos you'd like to see, put those in the comments area down below. We have lots of other videos here on our Montavilla YouTube channel, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye.